We're thrilled to have you here with us today. In this space, we delve into the fascinating world of woodworking, exploring everything from traditional techniques to modern innovations. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out, our goal is to provide you with valuable insights, inspiration, and practical tips that can elevate your skills and ignite your creativity. We believe that woodworking is not just a hobby, but a form of art that connects us to nature and our heritage. So, grab your tools and join us on this exciting journey as we transform ideas into tangible creations. In each episode, we'll cover a wide range of topics, including project tutorials, material selection, design principles, and the business side of woodworking. We'll also share stories from fellow woodworkers and explore the rich history behind various techniques and styles. Our community is built on the passion for craftsmanship, and we encourage you to engage with us by sharing your thoughts, experiences, and questions. Together, we can foster a vibrant space where creativity thrives and everyone can learn something new. Let's get started and make something amazing today. This trend not only reflects a growing appreciation for natural materials, but also highlights the value of craftsmanship and individuality in a world dominated by mass production. By tapping into this market, artisans can transform reclaimed wood into stunning pieces that tell a story and resonate with consumers looking for authenticity. The journey of working with old wood begins with sourcing quality materials. Salvaging timber from abandoned buildings, barns, or even fallen trees offers a treasure trove of unique characteristics. Each piece of reclaimed wood carries its own history, adding depth and character to any design. This aspect of storytelling, where the materials themselves become part of the narrative, creates a compelling selling point. Crafting furniture from such materials not only supports sustainability, but also appeals to customers' growing desire for products that have a meaningful backstory. These unique features often resonate with consumers who appreciate the beauty of imperfection, aligning with the philosophy of wabi-sabi, which celebrates the transient and imperfect nature of life. By embracing these qualities, woodworkers can create pieces that stand out in a crowded marketplace, capturing the attention of discerning buyers. The rising popularity of rustic wood designs has also opened up various marketing avenues. Social media platforms and online marketplaces provide a perfect stage for showcasing craftsmanship. High-quality images of finished pieces can captivate potential buyers, while storytelling through captions can engage and foster a connection with the audience. Sharing the journey of sourcing, crafting, and finishing each piece can turn a simple product into a sought-after item, driving demand and sales. Furthermore, collaborations with local businesses can enhance visibility and market reach. Partnering with interior designers, home decor shops, or even eco-friendly brands can create mutually beneficial relationships that expose rustic wood designs to wider audiences. By aligning with brands that share similar values, artisans can leverage existing customer bases and elevate their brand presence. This collaborative approach can lead to increased sales and recognition within the community. As a market continues to evolve, staying attuned to consumer preferences is crucial. Trends such as minimalism, eco-friendliness, and handmade craftsmanship are shaping the landscape of home design. By remaining flexible and open to adapting their creations, woodworkers can ensure that their work remains relevant and in demand. Engaging with customers through feedback and incorporating their ideas can lead to innovative designs that resonate with the target audience. Education also plays a vital role in promoting rustic wood designs. Providing information on the benefits of using reclaimed and organic wood can help consumers make informed purchasing decisions. Workshops, online tutorials, or blog posts can serve as platforms to share knowledge about the craftsmanship involved, the sourcing process, and the environmental impact of choosing sustainable materials. This not only enhances the perceived value of the products, but also fosters a sense of community around the craft. The potential for high profits in rustic woodworking lies not just in the products themselves, but also in the overall experience offered to customers. Creating a brand that embodies values of sustainability, craftsmanship, and authenticity can cultivate loyalty among consumers who prioritize these ideals. By building a strong brand narrative and consistently delivering quality work, artisans can create a lasting impact in the market. If you've enjoyed this content and found value in our discussion, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one. Your support through likes and shares helps us reach a wider audience and continue creating quality content that inspires and informs. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. We appreciate your engagement and would love for you to stay with us until the end of the video, where we'll dive deeper into exciting topics and share additional tips that can enhance your woodworking journey. Thank you for being a part of our community.